Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and if you've seen this channel, you probably know that I like trying some of the weirdest beers out there that I can get my hands on. And I also love sharing it with my friends. Well, today is no exception. I will be having a few of my friends join me shortly, and we will be trying Martin House Brewing's Space Pizza, their pizza flavored beer. So, like I said, I'm going to be having my friends join me here really shortly. And the reason they're not here in this intro is because what we're going to be doing is a complete blind taste test. So, the reactions you see from me and from them, no one else is in the room. So, we'll know whether this beer truly tastes like pizza beer. This beer comes in at a 5.2% ABV, a 14 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 2.57. Pizza beer, brewed with pizza spices. Okay, pizza spiced beer. Oh, it's got a spicy something aroma. Everyone uses like spiced flavors differently in pizza, so else I kind of thought it would be like tomatoey and whatnot.
So we're gonna try the space pizza. Kind of excited to try this. Never tried anything like it. It is a nice golden color. It smells like pizza. That's odd. It smells like tomato sauce.
Okay, pizza beer, here we go. Probably should not pour too much. I don't know how this is gonna taste. Okay, right off the bat, I definitely smell tomato. It does smell like a pizza. I mean, like a cheap Tortino's pizza, but it does smell like a pizza. And mostly like tomato juice, kind of like a V8 or something like that.
That's weird. Okay, let's give it a go. Dude, that tastes like pizza. I don't know that I would want to drink an entire can of this, but this would be fun to just share with people because this thing tastes like pizza.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh gosh. That is horrible. I don't know what pizza they're trying to do. This reminds me of the horrible cheesy flavor of their cheese popcorn beer.
Looks like a beer, like a kind of hazy, a little bit more deep golden. Not what I would be conducive to a pizza color, but let's see how it tastes. You know what? It does taste a lot like a pizza. I mean, there's a lot of tomatoiness in there. There's some breadiness in there. I even taste like a little bit, maybe like Parmesan kind of. It could be my imagination because I'm thinking pizza already.
Given the aroma, it's actually not horrible. The aroma is a very spiced forward beer. So kind of a spicy Belgian actually. But then you get into it. Oh, and it just hits you right away. It's like rotten, bad food. It's like I kind of vomited, and then that vomit went into the beer, and then I had to drink the beer back. You ever clean out a garbage disposal and then smell your hand afterwards? That smell is what this tastes like. Oh my God, why am I drinking this?
It's kind of wild. Okay, it's tomato soup. It's kind of what I'm getting on it, is tomato soup. Yeah, that's what I've got, is tomato soup. It's so weird. I gotta give these guys credit for making something like that. I'll say I had a pretty negative idea coming in. I don't like weird beers. I just like to try them to just kind of go for the experience.
Would I call this refreshing and something I'd want to drink? No, not at all. But it does taste like it says it tastes. It's a great novelty drink. It's not a great beer. It's got a little bit of weird sweetness in the back too. There's like a sweet malt flavor in the back. I don't know about. I don't hate it. It's definitely a fun novelty drink, but I don't think I'd like go to a bar and order 16 ounces of it. I just wouldn't. It's definitely something to share.
This thing tastes like, I'm gonna say tomato soup, but you can smell the pizza. You can taste that tomato. That's just weird. Good for them. I can't believe they did that.
It doesn't evolve. It's nope. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. That's horrible. That doesn't taste like pizza. Martin House Brewing, this is the one time I really wanted you to, well, succeed, and you failed. Ugh. Okay, this probably tastes what I imagine Chuck E. Cheese pizza tastes like. It's horrible. I gotta finish it because I don't want them to know what it tastes like. Oh man, that's nasty. Probably second worst beer I've ever had. So yeah, we all had a very interesting take on this beer. I think a lot of us had very similar flavors. It was interesting. The two of you had kind of that tomatoey bisque, something tomato based.
Yes.
You and I had kind of a cheese based.
Yep.
I had a lot of like herbal. I got a lot of spices. So I think together we actually did probably taste what could be equivalent as a pizza.
I think so too. I mean, the part that I was thinking the most was, am I imagining the cheese flavor because I know it's a pizza beer, or did they actually put cheese in there? I don't know.
Yeah.
Because I mean, cheese is so oily, and oil and beer don't really mix well together.
Yeah, I think it's funny you got that, because like for me it was just really tomato heavy. Brilliant nose, smells like a pizza.
Yeah.
I really enjoy the way it smells.
It does. It smells. I think there's some basil in there too, or something like that. Definitely.
I get it.
Yeah, to me it smelled like a very spicy Belgian. Like a very herbally Belgian, and then I tasted it and I was like, this is like a cheese beer. But yeah, it's just an interesting beer. I would not probably have more than a can of it around. I'll probably never ever order this again. It's a very special beer.
Yeah, it's a novelty beer. It's something you take and when you have friends come over and you're like, hey, you want to try a pizza beer? You got a pizza beer?
Got pizza.
I don't want a pizza.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, that's basically what it is. Because it's not something you're gonna like come home and like crack open and like, I'm craving a pizza beer.
No, it's fun.
It's fun.
It's fun.
It is. I love that it is one of those novelty beers, but it is true to its name. Where you get the other people that have novelty beers is like, it barely tastes like it.
And that's pretty much true to almost every single Martin House beer where they make a weird funky flavor. They are not lying.
They are
when they
not
put
lying.
the description on that label. They are not lying at all.
I'm giving them credit for that, because pretty impressive that they could do that.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Actually is.
Very impressive. So if you're looking for that novelty beer to keep in your fridge, but more of like a single can, not a sixer, just go buy some frozen pizza if you want some of that. But Martin House Space Pizza is incredibly weird. It's good, it's bad,
It's interesting.
it's interesting. You can't beat it.
Yeah.
So, see you guys.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe, follow me on all my social media stuff. The links for those will be at the very bottom of the description, so scroll. Oh, you scroll to... Did you just throw that in?
I swallowed it.
Yeah, have you ever had any weird beers like this? Pizza, you and I have actually had a pizza beer before,
Yeah,
actually.
at the Oregon Brew Fest.
That was
Yeah.
horrible.
I didn't mind it so much. It's horrible.
But yeah, have you ever had anything weird like that before? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.